Welcome to the Aquatic News Network. My name is Jim. Today we are going to be talking about the electric blue Acara. This small, colorful fish in the aquarium hobby. Where did it start? How did it start? Who started it? And more. In the vibrant, tranquil world of the freshwater aquariums, one fish stands out with dazzling colors and a gentle demeanor, the electric blue Acara. Native to the rivers and lakes of South America, the electric blue Acara, the Andino Acara pulcher, has captured the hearts of fish enthusiasts worldwide. Its name comes from its stunning electric blue coloration that shimmers under light, making it a true gem in any aquarium. But there's more to the electric blue Acara than just its beauty. This species is known to peaceful temperament and adaptability, making it an excellent choice for both the novice and experienced fish keeper. Now, with that said, let's get on to where this fish came from. This fish gained popularity in 2009 by selective breeding in an Asian fish farm. They took the eggs from the natural blue Acara and they fertilized it with a male electric blue ram. Through selective breeding, they were able to pull out the electric blue Acara. Now, the electric blue Acara is a very peaceful fish. The fish has been around since 2009. There are many different variations of the Acara. You have the electric blue, you have the natural blue, you have the yellow banded Acara, you have the black Acara, you have the smiling Acara. However, everybody's favorite is the electric blue. Through selective breeding, they were able to make this fish very, very, very beautiful. Now, I know there's a lot of controversy behind the fish stating that it may or may not be man-made. I'm here to tell you that, in fact, it is man-made. The electric blue Acara is a selective bred color morph of the blue Acara, created by aquarists for its vibrant blue color. While the original blue Acara is a natural occurring species in Central and South America, the electric blue variant is a product of selective breeding to enhance stunning blue hue. Selective breeding involves choosing a specific individual with desired traits, in this case the blue coloration, breeding them over several generations to produce offspring that consistently exhibit those traits. Around 2008 and 2009, the fish farm in Asia was able to successfully keep those traits going. And that's how we ended up with the electric blue Acara. I'm here to tell you that if you take the electric blue Acara and you put it with the natural blue Acara and they happen to mate, the fry will come out with the electric blue traits. You're not going to have your normal natural blue Acara. You're going to have electric blue Acara from natural blue Acara. It's bred into their DNA to continue that color morph. Now, I have a breeding pair in my 125. They have gave me multiple clutches, and the majority of them were happy and healthy. Now, I have now officially mixed my electric blue Acara with my natural blue Acara and my yellow banded Acara, and we're going to see what kind of mischief we can create, so stay tuned for that. The electric blue Acara is a freshwater fish that's part of the cichlid family. It's a very beautiful fish. Very chill temperament, gets along with just about anything until they're in breeding mode. When they're in breeding mode, they will find a flat surface or a clay or terracotta pot. They will clean that surface and they will lay their eggs. The male will come over and fertilize the eggs, and they will guard those eggs until they can't guard them anymore. Once you get free swimmers, in my opinion, after about 3 days of being with the parents, you should remove them. And then you get to see the rewards you get for removing them from their parents and taking care of their parents. Now, there is a lot of controversy over this fish, whether or not it was man-made or if it was natural. It was man-made in a fish farm. It was, part of them were turned loose in the wild, and some of them, or the majority of them, were put into the hobby. Now, I wouldn't say that I would try personally to take a natural blue Acara and breed it with an electric blue ram and see what you'd get. But if somebody was willing to try, let me know what you get. I don't think it will naturally occur. I think if you try that, you're going to end up with two fish that are just fighting all the time. The process needs to involve manually mixing the eggs from the female with sperm of the male. So, I mean, it's going to be kind of hard for you to pull that off in the home aquarium. Asian fish farms, they have scientists there, they have biologists, they have people there that know what they're doing. I'm not saying that some of our aquarists don't know what they're doing, because I have absolutely bred the ever-living crap out of my Acara. We'll get back to the actual fish itself, behavior, their temperament is like many other cichlids. The electric blue acara is known for being very peaceful, less territorial. They coexist with a variety of tank mates if given enough space. I would recommend a tank over 4 foot long. I have mine in a 6 foot 125. Activity, they're active swimmers. They enjoy exploring their environment. And they often, you see them sitting through, sifting on the substrate. That's what they do. They move around. So if you got plants in the tank, they will move them around. A minimum for a pair would be a 30-gallon tank. Water parameters, I have actually learned that if you get down on the colder side, say around like 72 degrees, the fish are kind of slow swimming. Now, if you keep it around 78 to 80, they're more active. They breed better. I noticed they actually breed when you do water changes. If you do a large water change, you are going to get breeding activity. I 100% promise you that. Do love hiding spaces. They like hiding spaces. They like plants. They like caves and decorations. So that they enjoy. They're omnivores. They enjoy a variety, various diet. High quality flakes and pellets, live foods, frozen bloodworms, brine shrimp, daphnia, they love those as well. Overall, the electric blue acara is a beautiful and engaging fish in this hobby. I would recommend anybody to at least keep them once, and you may be like me and fall in love with them. That is what I have for you on the subject of electric blue acara. I'm going to do a deeper dive, and there will be a part 2 on this. I'm going to see if I can get to the bottom of how they were released into the wild. So with that going, thank you for watching. Guys, remember, this is the Aquatic News Network, and it's your hobby. Do it your way.